Welcome to our channel. If you need to remove saved posts on Reddit, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your saved content effectively. Step 1. Open the Reddit app on your mobile device or navigate to reddit.com on your computer and log in to your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner on mobile, or click on your username in the top right corner on desktop. Step 3. Select Saved from the menu options to view all posts and comments you have saved on Reddit. Step 4. Browse through your saved items to find the posts you want to remove. Step 5. For each post you want to unsave, tap or click the save icon again, which should appear highlighted or filled. Step 6. The save icon will change back to its original unfilled state, indicating the post has been removed from your saved items. Step 7. On desktop, you can hover over a saved post and click the unsave link that appears below it. Step 8. Reddit does not provide a bulk unsave feature, so you will need to remove each post individually if you have many saved items. Step 9. Consider organizing your saved content into categories mentally or using third-party tools if you save frequently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.